Welcome to Dylan Makes Food and Review Food. Today's episode is fried egg. So here we have our selection. Pretty tasty looking fried egg. So here we have our pot that we will be using. I don't think I'm gonna need that much butter. But here we go. Let that melt up real nice and good. Really cool news on the technical side of the Neal YouTube channel. I recorded me cooking the egg, but the recording's gone now. So, you'll never see that part of Neal cooks an egg and eats it. You'll only see the eats it, so this is now just a regular episode of Neal Food Review. Here is my egg. Here is... where'd it go? Here is the eggshell of said egg. Well, let's eat it, I guess. Satisfying egg burst in this one. Yolk burst. Final review. 2 out of 10. I don't really like eggs. Like, subscribe. This has been a terrible day.